Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about 7 effective weight loss hacks for busy women. My name is Dr. Tolu. I'm a medical doctor, medical content creator, and my videos on weight loss have been watched by hundreds of thousands of people worldwide, helping a lot of people along the way. Alright then, let's get straight to it. Number 1, plan your meals ahead of time. This is very important and it can be a game changer in your fitness journey. You see, when life gets hectic, it can be very easy to grab whatever is most convenient for you to eat, which is often not the healthiest option. Taking a short time at the start of the week to shop and to plan your meals can prevent these unhealthy last-minute choices. Even if you can't prepare all your meals for the week on that particular day, what you can do is to make sure that your shopping includes mostly healthy food options so that you stock your fridge, your house with them. This can help you stay on track. And this brings me to point number 2, keeping healthy snacks on hand. The thing about busy schedules is that they often lead to unexpected hunger, and this hunger can attack you anywhere. It can attack you when you are in the office, when you are in traffic, or even when you are running errands. So what you can do, one hack that can help here, is to have easy to grab healthy snacks in different places. For instance, you can stock up your car, your office, your fridge, remember point 1, and your bag with these healthy snacks. Some healthy snack options include fruits like carrots, oranges, easy peelers, apples, or if you don't want fruit, you can think about stuff like protein bars or even Greek yogurt. Just have them handy. They can really help. Number 3, schedule your workouts. You know how you schedule your doctor's appointments and your important work meetings. Do the same for your workouts. Just give it a try. Set specific times in your calendar for workouts. You can set out specific times for just 3 or 4 workouts in a week. This increases your chances of sticking with it. Treat your workouts as non-negotiable commitments and you will see that they become easier to stick to. Number 4, talking about workouts, focus on simple workouts. We don't expect you as a busy person to be at the gym for 1-2 hours lifting heavy. No, you're not a gym bro. However, you do want to improve your health. So what you can do is to opt for shorter but still effective workouts, like high intensity interval training exercises, HIIT, your cycling, your running. Personally, one thing that I do when I'm not able to lift weights or hit the gym because I have a busy work schedule is that I park my car about 22 minutes walking distance away from my office. So that way I have to walk 22 minutes to work, and then when I'm done, I have to walk 22 minutes back. That may be all the workout I get done that day, but then I know that at least I've ticked my workout box for that day. So find what works for you. Number 5, more water, less liquid calories. Here's what I mean. The problem with sugary drinks like soda, commercial fruit juice, and then your fancy coffee beverages is that they add a lot of unnecessary calories without providing much nutritional benefit in return. So prioritize water. It has 0 calories and it can be quite refreshing. If normal water is something you don't like, then you can try the other types of flavored water, but then regular water is probably still the best option. And if you are thinking about drinks that you can take that are not water but can still help with your weight loss goals, maybe occasionally you can have the 0 calorie options of soda, but still keep in mind that we are talking about weight loss here. This can be helpful for weight loss, but in terms of your overall health, soda, whether it's 0 calories or low calories, are still much less healthier than water. But if the occasional 0 calorie drink can fit into your calorie deficit diet, then that is not likely to hurt. Remember, moderation is key in all things. Number 6, join a support system. We all know that staying consistent in this fitness journey is easier when you have someone by your side. So having an accountability partner or joining a fitness group or simply just following your favorite fitness influencers online and checking on their posts regularly can help to keep your motivation going. A strong support system can make it easier to push through challenges, and they can even help to celebrate your progress along the way, which can be very helpful. Positive reinforcement. And number 7, stop aiming for perfection, aim for progress. Very, very important. And personally, I'm going to confess I've been guilty of this more often than I would like to admit. But the truth is that perfection is simply unrealistic and it puts a lot of stress on you. What leads to real results are small but consistent efforts that you build on over time. So if you miss a workout or you give into a craving every now and then, that's not going to ruin your results. Trust me. Progress comes from being consistent most of the time, not being perfect all the time. All right, that's all I have for you today. If you've watched this video up until this point, just comment progress. That way I know those of you that watch my videos to the end, true members of the Toluverse. If you enjoyed this video, I have a video now showing on the screen that talks about 7 foods that can help you on your weight loss journey. You will definitely love it. So click on it to watch. Bye.